At President Trump's request, Jeff Sessions is out as Attorney General, submitting his resignation letter to the president. Quote, "I have been honored to serve as Attorney General and have worked to implement the law enforcement agenda based on the rule of law," wrote Sessions. Trump has made no secret of his disdain for his Attorney General.
I'm disappointed in the Attorney General for numerous reasons, but we have an Attorney General. I'm disappointed in the Attorney General for many reasons, and you understand that. Come here, Jeff.
The long-expected departure of one of President Trump's earliest supporters, Attorney General Jeff Sessions, coming after months of blistering attacks.
I said on the Department of Justice I would stay uninvolved. Now, I may get involved at some point if it gets worse.
At one low point, Trump even going so far as to declare, quote, "I don't have an Attorney General."
It's good to be with you.
All because Sessions stepped aside from overseeing the Russia investigation, something that overshadowed nearly all of his 20 months at the Justice Department.
He took the job, and then he said, "I'm going to recuse myself." I said, "What kind of a man is this?"
And despite all the tweets and withering critiques from his boss,
I put an Attorney General that never took control of the Justice Department, Jeff Sessions, never took control of the Justice Department, and it's a sort of an incredible thing.
Sessions rarely pushed back.
The president speaks his mind. He says what's on his mind at the time, and he's been frustrated about my recusal and other matters, but we have been so pleased and honored to be given the responsibility to execute his agenda at the Department of Justice. Part of that is just this kind of case, and so I am pleased and honored to have that responsibility, and it will do so as long as it's appropriate for me to do so.
Picking his moments carefully and vowing in August that the Justice Department will not be improperly influenced by political considerations. Publicly, he advanced the president's most controversial immigration policies. Privately, a source close to Sessions tells CNN he too has been frustrated that Mueller's investigation is not yet completed. And the Attorney General hopes he will be remembered for never undermining the integrity of the department. With Sessions now gone, his chief of staff, Matt Whitaker, will take over the department in the interim. Whitaker, a former U.S. attorney from Iowa and former CNN contributor, has served as Sessions' right-hand man since September 2017. But with Sessions now gone, the question is, who will replace him? Republican Senator Lindsey Graham has reportedly been asked about the job and has repeatedly said he's not interested. Others said to be in the running include former federal prosecutor and current Republican Congressman John Radcliffe, Boeing General Counsel Michael Luttig, and others potentially in the mix are federal appeals court judge Edith Jones, who sits on the Fifth Circuit, and Janice Rogers Brown, who used to sit on the D.C. Circuit, though a source close to Brown tells CNN she is likely not interested. Laura Jarrett, CNN, Washington.